I tell you, you can automate all your technical SEO tasks. For example, if you want to fix internal links, missing keywords or semantic keywords, alt text of your images, you can do that in one click. And there is more, like missing meta description, missing meta titles, and the list goes on. So there is a software which I want to recommend if you want to run your agency on steroids. So without further ado, let's get started. So the name of the software is Search Atlas Auto Automation. So Auto SEO Automation is AI-driven automation app that can automate any task related to the technical SEO. How to do that? You just need to paste a single piece of code into your website and you are done with it. Follow the link in the description box and you will land on the page like this. So obviously you need an active account, or you can try out 7 days free trial. And let's create a website from the scratch. So I have a website called doglife.com, which is only I use for the staging purposes. And let me add this. So there's doglife.com and there's a click here to add doglife. So there you go. And if I want to crawl pages to crawl, I want to add, so there is a number of pages to crawl, so you can add that maximum to 10,000 pages. So there is a crawling frequency. I would say if you update your website daily, then go for the daily, but I go for the weekly because I want to monitor it bi-weekly. And there's a show more, do select that. And this is user agent. Why it is necessary? Because you have some protection installed on your website like a Cloudflare, you need to input this as a whitelist. Okay, I will tell you how to do that, but for now let me just explain what auto automation is. So this is a crawl speed. So how many pages you want to crawl per second? I would say as many as you can like, but if you are on the shared hosting, then I suggest you to keep it in the default setting, which is of 5, because for it is for the dedicated server and shared hosting has those limitations. So going to the continue, and if you click on the continue and you're going to input a piece of code on your website. So before that, you need to enable a GSC property, which will be beneficial for more precise optimization. So I suggest you to go ahead and add that Google Search Console domain. And you have, if you have a GBP profile, you can go ahead and there is a business description which I want to add, like a dog website. That's it, because it's just for the demonstration. And there's an automatic detection. I would say I English US, and there's a AI model. Now with this, you're able to generate things like description or text with the help of AI. So you can go ahead and select either you want to do it with the GBT or you want to do it with the Claude. So I suggest Claude will be the best. So there is a knowledge graph. So knowledge graph is to feed the AI what and which type of business you have and your social media, and the thing goes on. So I suggest you to go ahead and add your authorship, add your social profiles and business profile as well. So okay, so I'm not adding that. You can go ahead and add that and click on the continue. If you click on the continue, you will need to install this AutoPixel code. So this is a simple code you need to add. You can either add before the body tag. Let me tell you, if you have a WordPress, how to add this. So click on the copy code and going to the doglife.com. Let me log into my account, going to the templates and theme file editor. So you don't need to go open your FTP account, just go ahead. So if you have a complex themes which have a child themes, then you can go ahead with the help of FTP. But I suggest you can do it with the help of this. So there will be a footer.php, and just before the closing body tag, let me paste that here and click on update file. So if you have the cache plugin installed, you need to clear those caches. But if you don't have, then you can go ahead. If you have a Cloudflare, you can just reset your cache as well. So okay, so everything is there. So let me go ahead and click on check widget status. So if it is installed or not. So it will take some time. Yeah, it is was installed correctly. So if I continue, and it takes some time to get everything settled. So if I click on this particular property and there is a auto SEO is not engaged, just click on the enable to enable the SEO engagement with your website, because it will automatically deploy all the meta description and all the fixes just in few clicks. So it will take time to get all the recommendations here, and after you add that, you will find something like this. Okay, so there is tons of improvement needed for this website. As you can see, there's a title tags issue 0 of 3324 fixed, and there is also the length and the score. Okay, you need to input in between that length, and there is a section of not deployed. So there is a different types of deployment, and there is a auto suggested fixes. But if there is not fixes, then it's fine. So as you can see, there are so many areas where the title tags are not present. So here is the current title, but not present. So there is a meta description also, and there is CDN. I don't think this is an internal page, but let me see if there is something in me. Yeah. So there's a blog tutorial and development. So it's a category page and it's not a non-indexable page on this. But let me give you a demonstration how you can actually add that. Okay. So if I click on this, it will open my URL where this page is. And if I click on view page source, as you can see here, there is a description. No, there is no meta description here. So we need to add that. So to add that, what you need to do is in the missing section, click on the right, or you can click on AI generating. And let me click on deploy. So it says one change has been deployed. So let's test that out. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes to get it deployed. And let me just refresh the page if there is a change in the code. So, so there is a head and there is a meta name description, and there you go. So in this category, you will learn. That's how you can automatically deploy all your changes. So this is about the meta description, but it goes on and on list. As you can see, if you want to add the missing alt text, so let's do that again. So there are multiple URLs are here with the image that doesn't have alt image text. So what you need to do is you have this. So let me browse this particular image where it is, just to be sure. So this is the pic here. So if I inspect element and select this particular pic, so as you can see, there's no alt text, right? And to add that, there's already suggested fix by the auto. So we will take that and click on the deploy. Okay. As you can see, one change has been deployed. There you go. So you have got your alt text written just straight from app. And not only this, there is the missing headings, which is, I think, very, very important to fix. So there's a SEO section, there's a blog SEO section. There are missing headings out there. You can easily add that. There is a heading length, which may be a lower than suggested, maybe a larger than suggested. You can also add that. There's a canonical URL that, like, there are many pages of ours which has missing canonical URL. So what you can do is you can click either deploy all in category. So in this category, it will get deployed. So if I just click on this, it will take time to deploy all the category. As you can see, it will start generating it and deployed it already, but it will take some time to reflect it on my website. So wait for that and you will actually see a canonical tag being deployed on your website. So this is the open graph. So open graph is all about the social media, and there may be pages that actually missing it. As you can see here, these are the missing pages. You can easily click on right and start adding it. And there's a Twitter card. So it's all about the technical fixes. What about the content? So if you have a content and there are maybe many pages that has a missing semantic keywords. So what are those semantic keywords? These are those keywords that your competitors are actually using. Competitors are actually using it on the content, and maybe you are missing out of it. So you can also deploy that with the help of this. As you can see, there's a missing keyword issues, and you can deploy all these issues with the single click. That's all, single click. And there is more internal linking opportunities. So I have around 2000 internal link opportunities to fix, as you can see. So there are the domains that I need to link these pages. So you can do it with the help of this internal linking opportunities. I think it will be beneficial for you, and you don't need any other software, any internal link software. Just go ahead and add it straight from this particular dashboard. And there are more things like new content. So if you want to create a topical map or a new content, you can easily do that with here. As you can see, the pillar page and keywords. So this is the pillar page that has been detected by Auto AI. And there you need to click on this AI settings or click on the edit topical map, and it will create a new topical map for you. and there is custom HTML content. So there are different pages where you want to add in HTML content. Like if you want to add a pop-up in that specific area, for example, I want to target a page that gets most visit and I want to add pop-up only on that pages. For example, this is the page which I want to add the pop-up to. Okay, so what you can do is click on add HTML. So it will add the HTML on this page that will be shown only on that specific page. Isn't it amazing? And I think this is the best way to do that. And now, what's left with this software? And one more thing, you can create a AI landing page. So with this, you can add an AI landing page. So if you are, promoting any product, if you are promoting any add-on, you can use this to add pages to your website. So that's how powerful it is. So you can see, all you need to go to the AI landing page, generate a page. So it will generate any page you want and it will create a AI landing page. And now coming forward to the advanced level of editing. So there is the schema markup. So if you have a schema markup issues on your website, so you will get all this here. And there is a view schema and you will find everything. I think nothing is to be going to be added here. And this is all perfect for me. Maybe you may have a schema issues in your website. You can easily audit that with the help of OTTO and fix the same. And there you go, GBP optimization. So if you want to optimize your GBP page, you can also do that with here, data aggregator and network submissions. So there's a GBP post you want to add, there's a question answer, you can also manage your reviews here. So in the coming months, we are going to also explore this with the help of my demo Google business profile, where we will be optimizing our profile using this and managing all the reviews, and I will tell you how to do the same with the help of this. So if you want to learn more about this, you can subscribe to this channel and I will be covering each and every part of this software. So there is authority building. So this is a cloud side press release distribution. So it will help you to release press release distributions with the help of this authority building on autopilot. So you have covered the backlinks also for your website. So what else you need? So I suggest you to go ahead and try this particular software out, and I think you will love this. They have 7 days trial. Follow the link in the description box and try that out for yourself, and you will find this so useful for your own website and for agency website. So how did you like this video? Do let me know in the comment box, and do let me know if you are going to try this, and if you have any alternative software which have the functionality like this. This is the game changer. So see you in the next video.